Are you ready to boost your business and achieve the next level of operational excellence? With Deloitte as your advisor, you can bring your business to the next level with robotic process automation. Together, we'll analyze all processes to find the annoying menial tasks that could be automated to liberate the company and significantly improve operations. The selected repetitive workflows become cost-efficient, free of human errors, scalable and controllable as they shift from being operational obstacles to operational assets. You will be able to free up valuable resources. Instead of mind-numbing activities such as pushing buttons and data copy-pasting, the workers can do more challenging jobs since routine tasks have been automated. You'll have happy customers since numerous basic tasks can be performed straight away, 24/7 and without flaws. Your company will reduce its operational costs. The robotic software operates at high speed 24/7. Automation implementation is fast and can be performed with an agile approach. And on top of that, employee satisfaction will increase. Deloitte uses its proven experience to guide you through your automation journey with a multitude of services such as opportunity assessment for automation, proof of concept delivery, a target operating model definition, and the actual process robotization, helping you to unlock the full potential of robotic process automation and achieve operational excellence. Contact Deloitte to start your robotic process automation journey.